It is important that health facilities can withstand natural disasters and provide continuous access to care during and immediately after such events. And so there has been much focus on improving resilience, strengthening structural and operational systems, and equipping these facilities with green technologies. Much of the work is happening through the Smart Healthcare Facilities project. Jamaica, like other countries in the Caribbean, is vulnerable to numerous climatic events like hurricanes, floods, and drought, which can have a devastating effect on the nation.
We're aware that natural disasters are increasing in both frequency and impact, and it's absolutely essential that after a natural disaster, basic services are restored as quickly and efficiently as possible, and that's what this program is about.
Essentially, a hospital or a health center should remain standing after the most severe disaster.
Regionally, this work to create safer, greener, and climate-smart institutions is part of a £46.3 million Smart Health project. The initiative receives funding from UK Aid through its Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office in the Caribbean. It's being implemented over a 7-year period by the Pan American Health Organization PAHO in collaboration with the Ministries of Health in selected countries.
We accept that as a people we have to prepare, and we are very happy that from a partnership standpoint, the British people, the UK government, UK Aid, as well as PAHO, which we are members of clearly, have said, listen, let us come together and ensure that we have more resilient, more smart facilities.
This initiative is not only allowing for continuous functioning of healthcare facilities during disasters, but is also reducing energy, water, and other operational costs, as well as the carbon footprint. More than 400 medical facilities across 7 different Caribbean countries were audited to assess their disaster vulnerabilities and needs.
We then designed a blueprint, a model for making them more resilient, safer, but also more efficient. We designed 3 standards: gold standard, silver standard, and bronze standard.
Since then, UK Aid has funded upgrades to 55 health facilities in the Caribbean. 14 of Jamaica's primary healthcare institutions have benefited at a cost of £8 million. The transformation of health facilities under this partnership has not only tackled the challenge of climate change, but also created more attractive and comfortable spaces for health workers and patients. Upgrades include replacement and strengthening of damaged roof to withstand hurricane, along with waterproofing and the installation of new hurricane-resistant windows and doors. These facilities are also being equipped with firefighting equipment and fire detection devices, improved electrical networks and generators for backup power, as well as the installation of solar panels for clean energy and water heaters and LED lights to ensure efficient and sustainable electrical power to each facility. Stormwater drains are being incorporated to mitigate flooding. Rainwater harvesting systems with both above and underground tanks and water-saving faucets provide increased availability and cost efficiency of this commodity. Work is also done to provide more efficient cooling and ventilation. Antimicrobial surfaces also get introduced to critical areas.
It's a really good partnership. This smart facility, of course, with the technical support of and standards that PAHO provided, the guidance, PAHO WHO, really has created people and government of Jamaica, Pan American Health, WHO, and of course UK Aid, the British government and people, what is a model that we want to standardize across the length and breadth of Jamaica and our public health system.